Good afternoon, guys. This is Phil with XLR8 Roofing and Construction. I'm at a house out here in Mount Dora. They called their office, was interested in having someone give them a quote for a roof replacement. So I'm out here during my inspection. I found a couple things that are kind of interesting, just some shared knowledge kind of thing. You know, a lot of times customers will call the office looking to get some repairs done. Sometimes the warrantying of those repairs is very difficult. And then sometimes you just run into some issues after you do a repair that can kind of damage shingles around the area that you repaired. So I want to turn the camera around. This customer actually had some repairs done recently. All right, so we're up on the roof, and as I approached the south-facing slope of the roof, the customer let me know that this tree had dumped some branches down, so they had some repairs done over on this side of the house. And you can actually see the color change here as it goes down the eave. Obviously, when you have a tree come down, you want to make sure you get those issues addressed. But this is sometimes what comes up when you have a repair done. Whoever the repair specialist was came out and did it, and you can see that all these shingles here, as you walk down, they're all creased. Some of these shingles are easy to lift up now. They're all creased. This shingle is actually torn here. There's a couple other spots here too. You can see creased shingles. It actually looks like wind damaged shingles, and you can see this shingle just flies right up. So whenever we do have wind, these shingles were not re-adhered to the roof like they probably should have. They should use some roofing cement and get these shingles to lay back down tight, because now you have some loose shingles all the way down this eave. So if we had a weather event, you know, shingles could be damaged. You can actually see down here too, there's a bunch of crease marks in these shingles as well. And that's just done because the way shingles lay, and the repair was done, they have to lift those shingles in order to get to the exposed nail line. So like actually you can see in here, see the nail line's kind of exposed now because you can just lift the shingles up. So that's just one reason why a lot of roofing contractors don't like to do repairs. Here's a couple other repairs that were done. Put some roofing cement. Customer said that he was having leaks in one of the bathrooms, and I can assure you it is where the squirrel chewed. He said it only happens during high wind events and really heavy rain, so water's actually going down that pipe into his bathroom. Another thing, when we're giving estimates, this customer has a solar panels for his pool heater. So that would actually have to be removed and reset. So that's definitely a cost that's associated with doing a new roof if you're getting a re-roof. I don't really see any storm damage. It just looks like the age of the roof. We have some delamination, which you can see right here, where the fiberglass mesh is actually showing through the shingle. Customer might be able to make it, you know, another year. But he was interested in just getting some pricing. So I'm gonna get some pricing together for him, count up all these vents, and then we'll actually get an estimate for the detach and reset of the pool system. A major area of concern on most roofs is these pool systems. If the company that you have doesn't come out, and you can actually see they did a pretty good job of siliconing up these attachments. There's a bolt that goes here into the roof decking, so a lot of times, you know, this is an area where the roof may leak. You can see over here, it's kind of, the silicone's been broken just a little bit there. So eventually the wind shakes these panels. These actually have really nice straps that go all the way across to hold the panel down, but I've seen a lot of them where they don't. This just kind of oscillates during any kind of storm event and then ends up being a problem area for the customer. I hope this is something that helps you in making a decision, choosing the right roofing contractor to do your roofing needs. So this is Phil with XLR8 Roofing. Have a nice day.